Hello everyone! Today we start a new build and here is Citroen C3 WRC tour decors on my table. This kit is from company Belkits and special thanks to the Domino store for the provided box. It is licensed product in scale 1:24 and contains 133 parts. Let's open the box. There is a small cardboard box in which the car body was placed. It's good that the body is so packed that it allows not to break it. It's a complex part with many details on it. There are many different holes, such as holes for fixing side seals. There are elements of iron takes with screws imitations. Here are holes for door handles. The front fenders will need to be attached separately before painting, or after. It's completely up to you. Now I will open the next bag. This is a sprue with interior tube part. There are many holes for positioning different small parts. This is good so they will not have to be masked and can be painted separately. Here we have door cards with additional holes for fixing other parts. Here is an imitation of the engine. Also, it's not full engine, but it's better than nothing. There is a pilot and navigator seats. I will open the next bag with chassis parts. This is the undercarriage part. Details of the front and rear axles here must be attached separately. Here are the parts of chassis themselves, steering rod, levers and so on. There are discs with brake calipers, shock absorbers and small parts. The next small sprue. There are side seals and covering parts for chassis as well as a part for the diffusers. This is a sprue with interior detailing. There are parts of safety cage as well as small parts from interior. Wheels, 4 of them with bolts and 1 without. This is a spare wheel. This is a sprue with many small parts. There are door handles, antennas, wipers, screwdriver, jack and much more. Sprue with chrome-plated parts. There are reflectors of headlights and tail lights. Also reflectors for optional lights for night race. This is a funny sprue with rubber parts. Here are various mudguards, air ducts and bottom protection. And there are also wheel tires. Transparent parts. Here we have windshield and rear window as one part. Side windows are given separately, as well as lenses for headlights and tail lights. I put them back to keep it safe. Also in the small bag packed canards, they are metallic preformed parts. There are also many steel rods. Here are seat belts, metal stickers with the Citroen logo and the side mirrors. Here is painting mask. This is small photo-etched thread. Here are the most necessary parts like brake disc, as much as 8 pieces. I have no idea why. Various meshes and accessories for seat belts. Here we have a large sheet with decals, a lot of decals. It was printed by cartograph, which means that the quality of the details is not in doubt. There is also instruction with large pictures and they are very detailed. Here is a small correction to step 23. You have to be careful. At this step it's proposed to make holes for night lighting. The full instruction manual you can find in the web. Who is interested, you can download it by the link in the description. For painting the body in basic colors I have the paints from the company number 5. These are specific paints specifically mixed for this model, and I will use them in work. Thank you all for your attention, and then traditionally I will make a dry fit assembly on the tape. Have a nice watching and see you.